It's Ciber Monday, the misspelling holiday of the year. I do not put physical products on sale except for one day of the year. Today. And yes, that's right. That means that everything in my store is on sale for one day only, 24 hours. The grooving plane kit, both paste wax, all of my strops, even the seconds and scraps. My DFM Toolworks card scrapers, the burnishing rods, as well as the whole kit, all on sale. And on top of that, all of my plans are 50% off as well. But to make it even better, Jeff from Reed Planes is putting all of his stuff on sale as well. But don't take my word for it. Let's go to Jeff and his shop.
Ciber Monday, 10% off on all Reed Planes, with one exception, the embossing die. But everything else will be 10% off. Appreciate everything and look for some seconds. Not exactly sure how many bits and pieces will be seconds, but there'll be a couple.
Yeah, that means the fine adjusters, the yokes, the wedges, the knobs, the bearing adjusters, the chamfer plane kits, the pinch rod kits, everything. It's all on sale, but only for 24 hours. So if you've been holding off and wanting to buy something from the Wood by Wright shop or the Reed Planes shop, you better do it quickly because the prices are about to pop back up on Tuesday morning. Spelling has never been my strong suit, but that's good because today I can spell Ciber Monday with S-A-I-L-E.